Alright, let's talk about something that doesn't get enough attention but can save you a ton of headaches. Renter's insurance. If you're renting an apartment, a house, or even just a room, you might think, hey, my landlord's got insurance, so I'm covered, right? Well, not exactly. Your landlord's insurance only covers the building itself, not your personal stuff inside. That's where renter's insurance comes in. So, what is renter's insurance? It's a policy that protects your belongings, like your laptop, clothes, furniture, bike from perils like fire theft or water damage. But it doesn't stop there. Renter's insurance also provides liability protection. If someone gets hurt and sues, your policy can help cover legal fees, medical bills. If your apartment becomes unlivable because of a fire, renter's insurance can help pay for a hotel or temporary living expenses while you get back on your feet. How much does this cost? Usually $10 to $20 a month depending on location and coverage. That's less than the price of a couple of fancy coffees. Let's break down the main options you'll see when shopping for a policy. First, there's personal property coverage. This is the part that pays to repair or replace your stuff if it's stolen or damaged. Coverage limits typically $20,000 to $50,000 or higher. Liability coverage and usually starts around $100,000 and can be increased. Loss of use coverage helps pay living expenses if you can't stay in your place. Some policies even offer extras, like coverage for expensive jewelry, electronics, identity theft protection. Just remember, every policy has exclusions, like flood damage, earthquake damage, so always read the fine print. If you need that extra protection, you might need to buy a separate policy. Getting renter's insurance is pretty straightforward. You can get quotes online in minutes, and most companies let you adjust your coverage to fit your needs and budget. If you're renting and you want to protect your stuff and your wallet, renter's insurance is a smart move.